I think for me, aggression is all about your actions. It's not about my reactions. The kind of batting we do, the kind of field positioning we do, the kind of bowling we do, that to me is aggression. Look, I think without the help of the other 10 players and obviously people who are sitting in the dressing room as well, this wouldn't have been possible. When we had lost 2 days, 2.5 days actually, it's very easy for everyone to just, drift away from the goal that we had of winning this test match. But I thought when we came here on the 4th day of the morning, first things first, they were batting and we needed to get them out. We needed 7 wickets quickly. So I thought, everything started there.
That's it, cleaned him up. What a catch by Rohit Sharma. Mohammad Siraj, what a catch that
is! The bowlers came to the party first. They got the wickets that we needed, and then when we came inside, we had to take a little bit of risk to get a result. I know the result could have gone either way, but I was okay with it. So was the coach and the other players as well, because you have to be brave enough to take those decisions and go and play that way. When things fall in place, everything looks good, and that is where it can change quickly when things doesn't fall in place. Everybody would have started criticizing the decision that we took and all of that. But what matters is what we think inside this changing room, and that is what mattered, and that is what we went with in this game. It was a clear plan that we want the result, how we can get the result. Everybody started finding answers for that. I think it was an exceptional series. It may go unnoticed, but I was just informed out of the 24 catches that came our way, we took 23 of them, which is a great result. Especially in the slips, you don't often see in India ball carrying through the slips, but the guys who were standing behind were so sharp, and to take those catches, it may look easy on television, but it is not. Trust me, because they are standing way ahead than they normally do. So all those catches that come their way, they are very hard to take those catches. The reaction time is very less, and I've seen it. Everyone puts a lot of effort in getting those things right, and Dilip obviously is helping with the players. Some crucial catches as well, which actually turned the game around. And you saw Siraj. Siraj is a great athlete. He's a superb athlete. Gives it everything on the field that he has. Even when he is bowling on a flat pitch, it's not much happening. He wants to do something. He wants to just talk to the batter, make him slightly uncomfortable, so that he gets into the game, the team gets into the game, and that is something that he believes in. And we've seen it over the years. It's not just now. It's been happening for so many years now. I think when you're playing at such a high level, you need to have a bit of everything. You need to be calm, to think wisely. There are a lot of decisions that you have to take on the field. Not every decision will go your way, but you have to back it and use your experience, use your knowledge. So that is what I do. I've been there enough to trust my judgment that I do take on the field. The decisions that I take on the field, I trust on it, and then I go by it. There are players around me who are open to giving suggestions, but at the end of the day, I think I trust my mind and I trust my judgment, and that's all that matters.